Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be discussing another important topic that is about the prepositions. So, tell me how many of you are familiar with this term, preposition? Very good. You might have learned this topic in your English classes, in your literacy classes, right? So prepositions or the positional words are the words which basically tells us about the position of something, right? Let's say on, in, over, inside, outside, behind, in front of. All these words, whenever they are used in a sentence, they tells us about the position of something, that where the thing is located, right? In the front of something, behind something, in something, out of something. So all of these words tells us about the position of something. That is why we call them as prepositions or positional words, right? So in today's class we will learn about some of the common prepositions or the positional words, and we will look for their meaning as well, right? So what I'll be doing, I'll show you the picture of those words with the picture so that you can better have an idea of what does the word over mean, what does the word behind mean, what does the word inside or outside mean. So we will together learn all of these things together, right? So, before moving forward, I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video about the prepositions. Let's watch that together and then we will discuss the prepositions in detail, okay? So, show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you.
Let's learn.
Okay, all the four words that you have seen in the start of video, they are the most common prepositions: in, on, over and under. Okay, these are the four most common prepositions that we use in our daily life. Almost in every sentence there is the word in, or there is the word on or under. Okay, now let's see their meaning as well.
Preposition. He is on the horse. They are in the car.
Now look at this first example.
He is on the horse.
He is on the horse, right? Now, what is the preposition used in this sentence? On. So, this means that when somebody is sitting on something, above something, we will be using the word on for that. Got it? Let's look at the next one.
On the horse. They are
Now, in this sentence, they are in the car, right? He was on the horse. Why we haven't used in over there? Now, see, the car is something which is close from all sides, right? They're safe, they are within something. That is why we are using the word in. But the horse was not like this, it was an open thing, it was an animal, and he was riding over that. So, we have used the word on. But over here, we have used the word in. Now, can you find this difference? Good. Okay.
in the car. The frog is under the tree.
Now, see, in this case, the frog is under the tree. Now, the frog is sitting and there is something above that, right? Yes, that is why we are using this word. So, now if somebody asks you about the use of under, you will be making a sentence like this, okay? Should we move forward? Okay, great.
The sheep are jumping over the hurdle.
Okay, and the last one
Hurdle.
is that the sheeps are jumping over the hurdle. Now, from this, you get the idea about the word over, right? That at what position we will be using the word over. Got it? Okay, class. So that were few examples of the prepositions, and these are the most common prepositions that we use in our daily life. Now I'm going to share the screen with you and we will discuss some more of it. Okay, so over here we have some more. The first one is around. Now a thing is, or a box is being placed and the girl is moving or running closer to that. So for that we have used the word around. Got it? Look at the next one. The next one is, yes, she is jumping over. Now see, this is the same position. Very good. Like we find in the video that the sheeps were jumping over the. Got it? So these two positions are similar. That is why we have used the same word for that. Got it? Okay. Look at the next one. Can anybody explain the meaning of the next one? Next to. Next to means when something is placed closer to the, excellent. Closer to something, we use the word next to for that. Okay. So the girl is sitting next to the box. What next? The next we have in front of. Now the box is being placed in the back. So that is why we have used the word in front of. We have also looked for the next example in. Now down from. She is basically jumping. So that is why we have used the word down from, right? In the next picture, a box is being placed and the girl is trying to enter in that. That is why we will be saying she is going into the box. Then we have on. A box is being placed on the ground and she is sitting on the box, right? Now, into and out of, they are opposite to each other. When she was entering, we use the word into. Now, when she is coming out, we will be using out of. Got it? So, these are some other prepositions that we use in our daily life. Okay. Now, what I want you is to make sentences. Like you can make 3 sentences by using any preposition. Look around, find the things. If something is placed on something, something is inside of, something is coming out, under, behind, you can use any preposition of your choice and then make 3 sentences out of it. Hurry up, start writing. Let me know when you are done. All of you are done? Okay, that's great. Show it to me one by one. Very good. Okay, class. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.